This video shows how to replace the motherboard-bridge board on the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the sled. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first loosen the blue thumb screw on the rear of the enclosure and pull the sled lever. Holding the sled handle, pull the sled out of the enclosure. To remove the motherboard-bridge board, you must first remove the air shroud, PCIe dummy bracket, mini PERC card module, M.2 riser board, motherboard bridge module, and then the motherboard interposer board. Starting with the air shroud, lift it and push the retention clip down, and then lift the mini PERC card battery out of the air shroud. For the PCIe dummy bracket, first remove the screws holding the blue touch points, lift the bracket out of the sled. For the mini PERC card module, remove the screws and lift the module out of the sled. For the M.2 riser board, first remove the screw. Lift the riser out of the sled and then disconnect the riser cable. For the motherboard bridge module, first remove the screws and slide it out of the sled. For the motherboard interposer board, remove the screw and lift the interposer board out of the sled. Now, disconnect all the cables connected to the motherboard bridge board. For the motherboard bridge board, remove the screws and lift it out of the chassis. To replace the motherboard bridge board, insert it firmly into the chassis, tighten the screws, and reconnect all the cables connected to the board. Next, for the motherboard interposer board, insert the board firmly and tighten the screw. For the motherboard bridge module, insert the module into the sled and tighten the screws. For the M.2 riser board, reconnect the cable insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated, and then tighten the screw. For the mini perk module, insert the module firmly until it is fully seated, and tighten the screws. For the PCIe dummy bracket, holding the blue touch points, insert the bracket into the sled and tighten the screws. For the air shroud, push the retention clip and insert the mini perk card battery into the air shroud. And then lower the air shroud. Now, slide the sled into the enclosure until it is fully seated. And then finally, push the sled lever and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the motherboard bridge board on the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.